So guys, na the continuation of the video na it be this one. I don already reach house like this. I don start to dey steam my meat already. Here I dey put pepper when I blend. I blend the pepper, onions, and I put some salt, maggi inside this pot. So I will turn everything together to let am steam. Meanwhile, my electric gas dey disturb me, so I just got to use normal gas take cook. So here now they wash my bell pepper because there is no vegetable soup without bell pepper. I don't know about others, but for me, I like bell pepper inside my vegetable soup. So after washing this bell pepper now, I will come blend, slice and blend everything. Then the next process, I'll come wash my spinach. To cook vegetable soup, now this spinach na even my wahala for inside. Like to dey wash, because me I like to dey wash my spinach, to dey pick am one by one, wash am so that I go dey sure say no dirty dey inside the spinach. And this process can feel like na this one na im be the hardest thing for me if anytime I wan cook vegetable soup. To wash this spinach, to slice am, omo no be small thing o. So after washing my spinach, I will slice everything, set am aside. Then I will move on to the next level because at this point my meat don already steam finish. So I will start to dey cook the soup. So the first thing I go do now, I will put my pot for fire, and then I will pour some oil. I'll allow the oil to heat a little while, and then I'll add another vegetable oil, because if you mix palm oil and vegetable oil, e dey always dey come well pass when you use only palm oil. I don't know about others too. Like I said before, everybody get the way they take dey cook. So for me, if you mix these two combination together, e dey always come out well because I don test the two. You understand? I don first use only palm oil, and then the thing get the way it dey. So when I start to use palm oil and then pour some vegetable oil inside, I come notice am say e dey come out well pass when you use only palm oil. So as you dey see am, I dey pour my vegetable oil put. Then after I let am heat for some seconds, I will now pour my onions. I will fry these onions. The heat that day, I see all my body come be like say I dey dehydrated, like no water dey my body again, because the heat that day no be small thing. So I will turn the onions together, let am fry for some seconds, and then I will pour my bell pepper and my tomato, my everything I blend together for here. Bell pepper, tomato, onions. I think I even added ginger. No, I add garlic. I add small garlic, no be ginger. So I will come turn everything together, cover the pot, let am steam. You got see at this point, you got to fry your tomato sauce very very well. Like let am done, because if you no let am done, your soup go dey slap for mouth. So as you can see, e don already done, but I wan just leave am make e still cook for some seconds. Like if you see oil dey bubble like this on top of your tomato, just know say that tomato e don done. But for me, I wan fry am make e done well, because I no wan hear story that touches the heart. So I fry am for some seconds, and then I go ahead and added my meat and my meat stock. And again, if you dey cook vegetable soup, if that time wey that water wey you wan take steam your meat, no let am too much. Just no let am too much, because if you pack many water put for your meat, at the end of the day, you go wan you no go wan throway that meat stock, so you go wan pour everything inside your vegetable soup, and na there the mistake dey come from, because at the end of the day your soup go come dey too watery. You understand? So let that meat stock, no let am too much. Just add small water take steam your meat. So I add some crayfish, and then I give it another stir. After then I'm adding my spinach now. Now see am say this, I buy two packet of spinach, both the frozen one and the fresh one. See am now, everything, see am, as the thing don touch pot now, see as everything don melt. All that many spinach wey be full that rubber just now, see the way e come be. So after I add everything inside, I don already turn my soup together with the spinach, and then I will cover am, make it to let am cook. Almost see that soup. See, even if no be me make this video before, say I see something like this for person page, e no get that, e no get I wan be pass, I must like am because see the soup now, see vegetable soup now, shey e dey enter eye. Abeg like this video. If you know say e dey watch you to this point and you never like am, this is the best time for you to like this video. Comment, drop your comment down below what you think about this vegetable soup. Abeg, and make sure say you share the video. If you never follow our page for more videos.